Prior to the Windows 11 update, you should back up your files as a precaution. To back up your files in OneDrive, go to www.office.com. If you're not already signed in, do so using your SHSU username and password. Select the OneDrive icon. Select the Add New button at the top left. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Files Upload for individual files, or Folder Upload to upload an entire folder. Select the file or folder you want to upload. You can find your uploaded files or folders under the My Files tab on the left side of the screen. For files that should be shared with your department, you can back up to the T drive. First, make sure the T drive network share is connected. Then, copy the desired files from the local computer to a backup location on the T drive.